Yes.
Whatever belongs to you belongs to the kingdom. And for you to access it, listen to me, my brother. You need to receive these things by fire, by that by force, and declare, Lord, whatever belongs to me, whatever has my identity, whatever that carries my name, because there is a blessing that is purposely packaged for you. Declare and say, yes. Wherever it may be buried, I declare it must resurrect. Whoever has hidden my progress, my success, my peace, my ministry, I declare it has to resurrect. In the name of Jesus, you can engage in warfare and reclaim. The Bible says, and God told David, pursue and you shall recover. Pursue and you shall recover. It is warfare. Pursue. Pursuing is warfare. Pursuing is not a holiday. Pursuing is warfare. Refuse to live a life that does not represent you. Refuse. I have told you, refuse to live a shadow of yourself. You know, another means of identity. I believe we have now we are started up. We are ready for warfare. Restoration. Restoration. It is a God-given gift unto us. The Lord shall restore. The Lord. Doesn't matter what you have wasted. Doesn't matter what you have lost. For you to recover your identity, you need the grace of restoration.